I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kinda weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help, 'cause I think I've fallen in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine. Lip blush, I like it. Driver. It's my best makeup yet. Go ahead. No. Nah. Was it correct, bro? Moment. Was it grum?
Hey dolls, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so super thrilled that you found my channel. Super thrilled. To all my returning sabbies, thank you so much, my darlings. I'm literally here because of you. You guys are the real MVPs. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you're always in the loop for my next video. Anyways guys, it's Valentine's Day. It's Friday. Yeah, most of us have plans and some of us don't. Well, the reason behind me is because long distance, yeah. I'm being told to get dressed and go to the mall, so I'm pretty excited for that. But like, yeah, so I already did my makeup. I already installed my hair, but I tried. I'm going to get dressed now, and like I'll just meet you guys at the mall. Like, however, I do have late lunch planned, because obviously I want to take pictures. I'm gonna go buy a cute little dress that I saw 2 days ago when I went, and yeah, just spend the day with me. Let's go to the mall. Okay, so guys, we had planned to go for late lunch slash dinner in our cute outfits, but like our flowers are only getting delivered tomorrow because so many people are delivering whatever. So girl, what I'm thinking, this was my outfit for today, yeah? So what I'm thinking is that I want to change and still go out though, like it's still Valentine, still be cute, you know, yeah, all that aesthetic. I didn't the bag that I've been wanting at the Costa. Actually, I wanted the tote bag, but I feel like it's, thank you. I feel like it's everywhere, and no, nah, like no stosh by thing, so it won't be the same anymore. So I was stuck between the tote and the bag that I bought. I actually bought a cute little small bag, yeah, and I love it so much, guys. I'll just unbox everything tomorrow for you. Yeah, so as we came here to do a reservation for tomorrow so that we can do our shoot. Everything is content, guys, so yeah, we're coming back tomorrow to Grazia. Right now we're going to Zaza Beach Club. Yeah, there I can like pop some champagne, like celebrate Valentines with everyone.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Rain down on me. Let your love just shower me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower me. So like hopefully I'll be able to like quickly take a picture when I get there.
Get mad at my nigga. Mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger than me, you alone. So why you putting on for the shade room and Insta? Bitch still be looking for attention. Trust me, you can get it. Pull up whenever. You know I'm with it, don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. But sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be tripping. Picture. Wondering if you even know this bitch for real. Learning that you screw this bitch for real. Baby on a groovy song.
It's gorgeous.
Yes, I've been singing in the household. Thanks, you guys. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Oh, my guys, never put time on. I started the time.
Okay, so I was supposed to have a shoot today with flowers, but disappointed. I don't have flowers. Like, it's fine. I just made it work. Quite sad. Very upset, but what can I do? I can't do much about that. So I'll just buy myself flowers, I guess. But like, anyways, yeah, it's the end of the night, and yeah, I think I'll do the unboxing video separately. Then I'll just show you guys what I got. Yeah, and then yeah, I think this might be the last video, but like maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe if I do something, but like probably not. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share to all your friends and family, comment down below. Love you all.
Shawty, I'm always keeping real. I know they for too much whining, they for too much whining. I see they be, I see shadow they enter. Oh yeah, people call up me. Oh yeah, show yourself, do over some.
12. I'm sure the start date is gonna take like an hour. Me, I don't like being outside too much, especially places that are popping. They give me so much anxiety. Like, it's not even about like seeing people or whatever. I just get so much anxiety. I don't know why. I've been looking for these custom rugs and I don't know where I can get them. If you do know, please.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's day 3 of my vlog and I'll be doing the little unboxing. Yeah, I just felt like I was gonna end the vlog yesterday, but I felt like let me just do the unboxing as well, because I don't know when's the next time I'll be doing like a vloggy video type of, so that I can add the little bag that I bought. Okay, so basically, let me just do a quick recap of what I did in the past days. Let's start on Valentines. So on the day, I didn't really have much planned. I just thought I was gonna go for lunch, but like my man was like, okay, just wait for your sister to come back from school and then go out, like take yourself out and like go to the mall, look for something that you want. Okay, I do live in East London, so I was very limited in what to buy, to be honest. What I was shocked by is that Levision, they have Versace and like apparently they're designer outlet, I think that's what you call it. So they had Michael Kors, Versace, but like what annoyed me was the fact that they didn't really have things for women. They mostly bought stuff or stocked for men. So there's literally only like one Michael Kors bag there and like Versace heels, and then I just felt like, nah, it's not worth it. They weren't really what I was looking for. Initially, I went there to look for a Coach bag because apparently the Vision is an outlet for Coach. I hope I'm saying it right, but like, yeah, I went there to go look for a Coach bag and like I didn't get it. They were like, oh no, yes, we did stock them, but like people don't buy them, so we just stopped stocking them. I was like, oh well, that sucks. Can I just order from you guys then? They said no. So it was not a chain smash. I just went to La Costa. I was there a few days ago. I think it's on the vlog as well. I saw all these really cute tote bags. I've been seeing them on TikTok. And I also saw that little mini brown bag. Maybe I'll attach it somewhere in the video to show you guys again. I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. And like I had planned to come back for them, like buy at least one thing. But then yeah, so when I got them, I changed my mind and I bought something else instead. Like it's still cute, it's still as pretty, and yeah, I know, is it Michael Kors? I know Michael Kors has a very similar bag. It's those little shoulder bags. Okay, I know Michael Kors has a very similar bag to this one that I bought, and then I was quite happy actually. Yeah, so this is the bag that it came in. It's got obviously the crocodile, and then I did ask whether they box their bags, and they were like, no, they only box their shoes. I was like, okay, no problem. And guys, I don't know, is it just me? I feel like Lacoste's got like this weird ass connotation, or maybe it's just me. I don't know. Don't let us shop now. I really don't know. The name of the bag is called the S Hobo bag. I bought it in the color tan, but like I think they call it the color polyvinyl chloride. I think that's the color. But like for me, I think it's tan, so tan brownish. So they covered it with this little bag. Obviously I'd already opened everything. Oh my god, I already opened everything, and this is the cute ass bag that I bought. I love it so much.
Thank you to my man. I'ma stick beside him is what I'm saying.
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes, the name of the bag is the S Hobo bag. And then I think polyvinyl chloride is the color. Yeah. So I'm definitely obsessed. I don't think this is leather per se. I don't know what type of material this is, but like it smells so good. Guys, I've got like this weird ass obsession with smelling everything. So this is the little zipper. Inside, obviously, it came with this little is it a handle? I don't know what to call it, but like you can obviously wear it like that, make it like a much longer bag, guys. I don't know what's happening, like I don't know what to call it. Obviously you'll attach it to the bag, but like I will most likely wear it just under my, you know, under my arm, little shoulder bag. I love it so much. Inside, obviously it's got like a little embroidery going on, the Costa. I love the bag so much, guys. Like it's it's cute. I love it so much. Now the reason why I didn't get the other one that comes in this color is because I feel like I have a similar bag. I have a similar bag to that one. Yeah. And then there's actually a Gucci one that looks exactly like that one that I want. So I was like, now I'll have like 3 of those. So I don't have this shape. And I wanted the Michael Kors one. I feel like this one is much better. I love it. Look at that little crocodile situation going on. Love it so much. The bag was like gorgeous. Like it's so beautiful. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna take a picture, you know, for my little thumbnail, because this little baby will obviously be in the thumbnail. Guys, I love it so much. I love it so much. Yeah. Now I was quite sad before I started this video, because like the last time I saw this bag was when I bought it in the shop. Well, actually when I came back, I didn't look at it again. It's so pretty. And yes, guys, the flower situation did make me quite sad, like quite upset. I even cried yesterday. Like I did shed a little tear, like I was like, oh my god. Because like we've been speaking about my florist and whatever, and then obviously people know that like if you don't order in time, your order is going to be the last one to be delivered. Do you get me? But like yeah, it's literally crying over spilt milk at this point. My man did buy me a little bag, so can't really be sad over flowers. You get me? Because I love my bag. It's pretty. It's gorgeous. Guys, I just want to go live in Joburg, because imagine like what I could have bought there. Like, so pretty. Let's name her. Her name is Crocodile. I'm just joking. Her name is, I'll give her a name. Actually, you guys should suggest a cute little name for my bag. Cute little name. And yeah, so like that's the end of my video. Yeah, this is the end of the vlog actually. It's Sunday today, and after this I'm just gonna watch Netflix, probably watch Love is Blind or Love Island or whatever. I don't know, I've got no idea. And yeah, lovely being with you guys. Yeah, can you please comment, like interact with me, give me a name for my little bag, like the video, share to your friends and family, hit the notification bell so that you're always in the loop for all my new videos, and see you guys on the next vlog or the next video.